high voltage auto electricians. So today I'm looking for four auto electricians that specialize in high voltage mobile plant equipment. Specifically, I'm actually looking for the MT 4400, right? People with experience in the MT 4400. Um, so yeah, this is for a client in regional Western Australia. Um, yeah, so basic things, electrical servicing, fault finding, diagnosis, repair, and component replacement. Ideally, I'm looking for people that are onshore already in Australia, but if you're offshore and you have experience with the MT 4400, I'd love to see a CV or resume. My email address is here somewhere. You could use that, or you could apply directly on our website, also listed down here. Um, yeah, salaries are excellent. They're over 100,000 a year. The visa is the 482 employer sponsored working visa. The employer will assist, do a future PR nomination. Um, what else? We can do subsequent entrant visas for the wife and kids. That's it. If you got experience in this vehicle, let me know. If you like this, press like. If you want to hear more job stuff, press follow. Have a good day. Cheers.